Hello, my name is Benjamin Howard, and this is my presentation on the Golden State Warriors We Believe social media campaign. First, we'll begin with a presentation overview. We'll start with organizational background, campaign background, the campaign itself, campaign objectives, reaction to the campaign, strengths, social media metrics, and finally we will conclude. A little bit about the Golden State Warriors. The organization was formed in 1946 and they were originally called the Philadelphia Warriors. During their inaugural season, the Basketball Association of America, which later became the NBA or the National Basketball Association, the Warriors won their first championship. In 1962, the Warriors moved the team to San Francisco. There they stayed until 1971 before moving the team to Oakland. However, during the 2019-2020 NBA season, the Warriors will once again be returning to San Francisco. Here is a little bit about the Golden State Warriors. To date, they have won 6 NBA championships. They have had 95 All-Star selections, 3 MVP awards, and 6 Rookie of the Years. A little bit about the campaign background. The We Believe background was established in 2007 to rally support for the playoff push. The campaign was enacted the last 2 months of the season and during the playoffs. It was created by superfan Paul Wong from Alameda. The Strength in Numbers campaign became an extension of the We Believe campaign in 2015 and currently runs. Here's the campaign itself.
That building was as loud as I've ever heard it. People were so happy to see the Warriors become a factor. It was really a movement at that time.
It was just a crazy experience to think that really we made it to the second round and it's still something that's talked about 10 years later. I think we really captured the imagination of the NBA and we made history. After an average start to the season, we ended the regular season winning 16 of our final 21 games. No one thought we can do it, but we proved them all wrong and captured the 8th spot in the playoffs. The first playoff berth in 13 years.
We need to win, I think maybe 17 games to get ourselves in position for a playoff with a run. And I'll never forget Matt Barnes, Baron Davis, and Steven Jackson. They were at the back of the plane talking about what they need to do to try and make this run.
We had to really scratch and claw to get ourselves in the playoffs, and we instantly all became family. It was just a band of brothers on and off the court.
They pulled themselves together, pulled the team together, and we went on this incredible run to get into the position to make the 8th spot and then eventually shock the world.
With our fans rallying behind us, we were ready to make history and celebrate the team's first playoff victory in 15 years.
The Golden State Warriors with their first playoff win in 15 years on the home floor.
That team really took pride in not only winning for ourselves and the organization, but winning for the city.
Dropping Barnes for 3.
The fans really gave that We Believe slogan substance, the way they wore their shirts and the way they really cheered with a lot of pride, and they were proud of the team.
Doubling Baron. Beatrice inside! He dumps it down and draws the foul! Oh my Lord!
It really was special because for so many years they hadn't made the playoffs there, and to be able to have success, make the playoffs, and then beat the #1 team in a 7-game series, I don't think it had ever been done before.
You know, they still say that was the loudest crowd they've ever heard in Oracle was during that 2007 playoff run. So we always wanted to thank them and go out there and play our hardest for them. And, you know, we did that.
So as you can see, the Golden State Warriors fan base really took a hold of the We Believe campaign. That campaign helped inspire the Golden State Warriors to defeat the Dallas Mavericks during the first round of the NBA playoffs. Here are some of the campaign objectives. Social media profile. The Warriors wanted to increase their social media presence through the use of social media platforms. Fan support. With the Golden State Warriors underperforming, the objective of the campaign was to increase fan support to help energize the team to make a playoff push. Making the playoffs. The Golden State Warriors had not made the playoffs in 13 years. It was one of the longest droughts in the history of the NBA. The campaign aimed to reverse the lack of success the team had experienced. Awareness. The Golden State Warriors wanted to increase awareness not only to Golden State fan base, but to teams around the NBA and outside markets. Moving forward, one of the aims of the campaign was to create a culture of excellence and winning that future teams would be able to build upon. Reaction to the campaign. While Golden State Warriors fans rallied the team in order to make the playoff push, so did key influencers. Celebrities such as Snoop Dogg and actress Jessica Alba and many more helped make the We Believe campaign a tremendous success. And some of the biggest influencers, as previously mentioned, were the fans who went on to help the team win with the inspired message. Strengths. The Warriors went on to win 17 of the last 21 games and make the playoffs as the 8th seed in the West. The Warriors went on to shock the NBA and the world by defeating the number 1 seeded Dallas Mavericks in 6 games by winning 4 games to 2. This was one of the biggest upsets in NBA history and inspired the Warriors and other teams going forward. Social media metrics. During the time of the We Believe campaign, the primary mode of social media that was used was Facebook. Individuals shared the slogan through posts, which garnered likes, which helped spread the Warriors' message. Currently, the Warriors are the most active sports franchise on social media, with accounts on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Officially, the Warriors began using Twitter in 2009, Instagram in 2009, and Facebook in 2008. In regards to Twitter, the Warriors have tweeted 82.1 thousand times, have 6.02 million followers, and 11.3 thousand likes. On Instagram, the Warriors have posted 10.7 thousand times with 11.5 million followers. And on Facebook, the Warriors fan page has garnered 11.4 million likes and 11.3 million followers. The We Believe campaign helped make the Golden State Warriors one of the most active franchise on social media, because when they pushed that campaign message at the time, they were just getting started in the realm, and that helped them build momentum, so when the platforms were then released, they would be able to build upon them. In summary, the Golden State Warriors We Believe campaign was a tremendous success. It not only inspired the Golden State Warriors to make that epic and historic playoff push, but it inspired teams to come. The Golden State Warriors are now one of the most dominant franchises in the NBA, and they were able to build off of the success of the We Believe campaign. The We Believe campaign spawned the Strength in Numbers campaign, which is now one of the most tweeted and one of the most hashtagged sports franchise campaigns on social media. In 2019, as Oracle Arena prepares to close its doors for the last time, the Golden State Warriors decided to honor the 2007 NBA playoff team. Steph Curry, as you can see, is wearing the classic throwback jersey used during the We Believe campaign. With this, he hopes to inspire future Warrior teams by remembering past Warrior teams and the message of We Believe that was instilled during that 2007 playoff push. This was one of the most successful social media campaigns because it helped inspire not only a team but a city and show them that the unbelievable is believable. Thank you.